And now let's look how Romance and Violetta will dance Waltz Gold level routine with the count. And 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. And 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. And now let's look at the same choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and we start with Fallaway reverse and slip pivot. We continue turn to left and we dance Telemark. Then using outside step, we continue with a running spin turn. Second bar is syncopated. Then we dance outside change to promenade position, and from here we dance chasse from promenade position, continued with closed wing, and from wing position we dance open telemark, which is finished in promenade position. Very good. Let's look once again. Choreography in slow motion. Closed hold and we start with reverse figure, which is Fallaway reverse slip pivot. We continue to turn to left into Telemark. Then we change rotation to natural rotation and dance a running spin turn. Second bar is syncopated timing. Then we dance outside change to promenade position, and from here chasse from promenade position. Continued with closed wing. From wing position we dance open telemark and finish in promenade position. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.